teacher. Today we'll talk about Canada. I have some question and answer about a traveler who wants to go to Canada. Would you like to hear that? Okay, the first question is why would someone like to travel to Canada? Why? Because Canada is one of the most exciting destinations in the world. It has many interesting cities such as Toronto, Montreal, Halifax, and North Vancouver. It also has some of the most breathtaking cities of nations, uh, which is ideal for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, rafting, and fishing. Okay, the second question is how much does it cost to go there? How much? The cost of the trip Canada depends on the airline choose to travel, the days you wish to stay, and the type of visa you may require. For example, temporary entry visa costs $75. Temporary multiple entry visa costs $150, and temporary visa household costs $400. What does not pay? Okay, those who don't have to pay are the ones invited by government Canada, diplomats, those traveling on a religious mission, and international travelers transiting through Canada. The round trip ticket costs from $2,978,020 to $4,256,140, depending on which airline you decide to travel. The food and loading depend on the days you wish to stay in Canada. One night stay in a hotel can cost approximately $1,249,038, but you are traveling with friends or family, you can rent an apartment and so it will cost you less. Okay, the third question is if you are in Colombia, what would you do to go there? Okay, if you are in Medellin, Colombia, and you wish to travel to Canada, the first thing to do is get to the Rio Negro airport and arrive the airplane. Then make one stop in Panama and then travel to Canada. In Canada, you may stop at Vancouver, Toronto, or Calgary, Montreal. It will depend on the route you wish to take in Canada. A flight to Canada lasts between 5 and 6 hours. And finally, the fourth question is who is Canada? Who is Canada organized? Who may state does it have? Who's the weather in Canada? Canada is a North American federation formed by 10 provinces and 3 territories that make up the world's second country, the second largest country in terms of area. Currently, the provinces of Canada are Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, and New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, New Scotland, Ontario, Prince Edward Island, Quebec, and Saskatchewan. The three territories are the Northwest Territories, Nunavut, and the Yukon. Who's the weather? Who's the weather in Canada? The weather in Canada is very interesting because Canada has 4 seasons, so the weather depends on the season and the province where you are. For example, during summer the temperature may vary between 12 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, alternating between sunny days and rainy days. But is the ideal place for you to attend to numerous outdoor festivals, practice sport in parks, and refreshing yourself in lakes and rivers. During the winter, the West Coast is warmer with averages of 3 degrees Celsius in other provinces. It has an average temperature of minus 10 degrees Celsius and can drop to minus 25 degrees Celsius. People enjoy winter sport and recreational activities. The house are well equipped for the cold with central heaters. In large cities are the underground pathways to move from one place to another. The weather in Canada is very interesting. It's as diverse as landscape, and it is temperature is in the west, subarctic, the north, and polar in the far north, where noon is present throughout most of the years. No more. There's were some question of a person who wishes to travel to Canada. Bye bye, teacher.